In this video, I'll show you how to manage Facebook and Instagram using Meta Business Suite step by step. Meta Business Suite lets you manage both accounts from one dashboard, making it easier to create content, reply to messages, and track performance. First, open the Meta Business Suite app or visit the Meta Business Suite website in your web browser. Sign in with the Facebook account that manages your Facebook page and linked Instagram account. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see options to manage both platforms together. Go to the Content section to create, schedule, and publish posts or Reels on Facebook and Instagram at the same time. Next, open the inbox to reply to messages and comments from both platforms in one place. You can also check insights to view your audience, reach, engagement, and post performance across Facebook and Instagram. If you need to manage pages, ad accounts, or team permissions, open Business Settings from the menu. Using Meta Business Suite helps you save time by managing everything from one dashboard. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.